Welcome back to Homes by Gina Kewen Realty Group. I'm your host, Gina Kewen. Today we're out in Godley, and if you're looking for a place that's got a country feel, very small town, not far from shopping, this may be the place for you to come check out. They have a really good hidden gem restaurant that we're going to go take a look at later. But right now we're going to go take a look at this property. It is 1.175 and it is 3,000 square feet with a pool on 1.5 acres. So let's go take a look. I have a little treat for you. We're still in Godley, but we're at a past client's house that closed this summer, and I wanted to do a little before and after for you. So come on and take a look and see what they did with the place. Now we're at my big surprise, Del Norte'S Tacos in Godley, Texas. If you like tacos, you need to come check this place out because if you don't, you're missing out. So I got my food. I'm really excited. It's been a while since I've come by here. But these are the Del Norte quesadillas and they're amazing. Thank you for visiting Homes by Gina Kewen Realty Group. Don't forget to click the link below to get your free buyer's guide. And don't forget to share and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.